Updating your estate plan is not something that many people look forward to. It can be confusing and oftentimes intimidating. So where do you turn? My name is Craig Hirsch, and I'm a board-certified Wills Trust Estates attorney who's trademarked the Family Estate and Legacy Program. Our office and other offices use this process to walk you through the estate planning process, giving you confidence and clarity. It's a 7-module process that begins with the client organizer. Here we're going to send you a client organizer that we'd like you to completely fill out and return to us at least a few days before your initial meeting. We also ask that you return to us or bring to us your wills and trusts, the existing ones that you have. What we're going to do before that initial meeting is review the wills and trusts and review your organizer so that we can hit the ground running. The second module is the goals and responsibility conversation. Here we're going to actively listen to your goals. What are you trying to achieve? Are you concerned about protecting a spouse, for example? Do you want to protect your kids' inheritance from dangers, from creditors, from divorcing spouses, from other problems that they may have, such as squandering the inheritance? As far as the responsibility conversation, many clients don't even think about their disability. Who's going to act as your trustee? Who's going to act as your power of attorney if you can't act for yourself? Do you have the legal, tax, and financial team behind you that's ready to act if you can't act for yourself? The third module is the design of your estate plan. Here, it might be wills, or it might include a revocable living trust. In all cases, it's going to have a durable power of attorney, a living will, and a healthcare surrogate, as well as some other ancillary documents. Now, once we know exactly what the design of your estate plan looks like, we'll be able to provide you a fixed fee quote, so you know what you're going to have going forward. The fourth module is a document builder. Here we actually draft up your plan. We draft up your trusts, we draft up the durable powers of attorney, the healthcare surrogates, and the living wills. Now we will also send you flowcharts and summaries that will summarize all of this so that you'll understand it in layman's terms. Once the document builder is done, then we meet and we review all of these documents together. The attorney will meet with you. We'll also meet with any other advisors that you'd like included. And that's Module 5. Module 5 is the advisor coordinator. If you have a lifelong friend who's an attorney, or you have a lifelong CPA, trusted professional, you might have financial planners, you might have trust officers, whoever you want involved in this process, we're going to include them and they can actively participate. If they're not local, we can conference call them in. If they are local and you want to invite them to the meeting, then they'll come along and we can get everybody's input into the documents that were drafted and make any adjustments that are necessary until you're confident and you're clear what your documents consist of and that you're confident they achieve your goals. Only then will we ask you to sign all of the documents. Module 6 is the funding process. Did you know that your revocable living trust really isn't effective if you've never put your assets that would otherwise be subject to probate inside of your trust? Now, how do you do that? Our specialized funding coordinators will sit down with you and review all of your assets, all of your accounts and your deeds, and they'll work with us as the attorneys to make sure that everything is properly funded, everything is properly titled into your account. This is unlike many other law firms where they'll just simply hand you a funding statement and they'll tell you go out and go to your banks and go to your brokers and redraft your deeds and put all of those assets into your trust. Our experience is when it's left to the client, it usually doesn't get done completely or it may not be done correctly. So in both instances, what we want to do is we do it for you. That's part of the Family Estate and Legacy Program, and that's part of this very important process to make sure that your assets are properly titled into your trust. Finally, the last module, Module 7, is our maintenance program. Now, you may have let your estate plan sit in a drawer for many, many years. We never recommend that. Tax laws change, your personal situation changes, your financial situation changes, and all of these merit continuing attention to your estate plan to make sure that everything is set and everything is proper. It will take care of you both in the event of your disability or in the event of your demise. So the maintenance program is a cost-effective way for us to send to you a review of your estate plan every year. You can review the estate plan and you can call our staff and make sure, for example, that all of your assets are properly titled. If you've opened up a new account, for example, that's usually part of maintenance and we help title that into your trust. So that's the Family Estate and Legacy Program. We are sure that it will provide you confidence and clarity For more information, please browse this website, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.